Are you ready to learn Spanish vocabulary words about winter clothing? If so, let's get started. Hi, I'm Jessica from Learning with Jessica Diaz, and today's vocabulary lesson is all about winter clothing. We're going to learn the Spanish words for sweater, coat, scarf, boots, and hat. Let's start with sweater. In Spanish, sweater is suéter. Pretty easy to remember, right? Let's break it down anyway. Suéter, suéter. Our second word is coat, abrigo. Abrigo, abrigo. Our third word is scarf, bufanda. Let's break it down. Bufanda, bufanda. Our fourth word, boots. In Spanish, boots are botas, boh-tahs, botas. Our last word is hat, sombrero. Let's break it down. SOMBRERO, sombrero. Now let's review those 5 words. Sweater is suéter. Coat is abrigo. Scarf is bufanda. Boots are botas. And hat is sombrero. Now that we reviewed those words, let's test your knowledge. How would you say sweater in Spanish? Suéter. What about coat? How would you say coat in Spanish? Abrigo. How would you say scarf in Spanish? If you said bufanda, you're right. What about boots? How would you say boots in Spanish? Botas. And the last question today is hat. How would you say hat in Spanish? If you said sombrero, you're right. Thanks so much for tuning in to my 5 Spanish words of the day. If you use these videos to learn Spanish, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.